You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like.
Alright, please open up your books to page 197. Looks like that. On the top there, you have some sumas and restas. You should know how to do these by now, so go ahead and do them. Next, they want you to write down the Roman numerals for these numbers, okay? If you don't remember how to do that, we are going to talk about it and when we turn the page over. So if you don't remember how to do these, then just go on to something else. And then when we're done, you can come back and do these, all right? So go ahead. All right, next we have some questions. I will read them in English and Spanish. And if the answer is true, is verdadero, put yes. If it's not true, if it's falso, circle no, okay? So here we go. 17 is 9 more than 8. 10 y 7 tiene 9 más de 8. ¿Sí o no? $6 and $4 make $10. $6 y $4 son $10. ¿Sí o no? $100 more than 128 is 328. Yes or no? 100 más de 128 son 328. ¿Sí o no? Next one. 1/2 dozen cookies is 6 cookies. Media docena galletas son 6 galletas. ¿Sí o no? Next one. A foot is less than 10 inches. Yes or no? Un pie es menos de 10 pulgares. ¿Sí o no? Joe's teacher is a tall man. He is 6 inches tall. Yes or no? El maestro de José es un hombre muy alto. Él tiene 6 pulgares. ¿Sí o no? Does that make sense? Yes or no? Last question. Carson broke a candy bar into 2 equal parts. Each part is 1/4 of the candy bar. Carson tiene un dulce, un barro de chocolate, and he broke it in half. Rompe en 2 partes. Una de esas partes son 1/4. Tiene 2 partes iguales, son cuartos. ¿Verdad o falso? True or false? Okay, and here we have some money. There's sumas and restas here. And here they want you to tell me how many dollars we have. Okay, so pay attention. Take care. Go ahead. Okay. Going to the page, we see this. Why don't we step over to the board and take a look at what we got here. Now you may remember that how Roman numerals work. At least I hope you do. Let's move this forward a little bit. We said that I is 1. X is 10. And V is 5. And you need to add these things up in order to make them work. So, you see on our board here, I is 1, I is 2, I is 3, but you can't have I, you can't have 4 at the same time. So their version of 4 is 5 minus 1 is 4. IV. V is 5, VI is 6, VII is 7, VIII is 8. But 9 is not VIII, it's going to be 4. It's 10 minus 1, IX. And then 10 is X. And then from 11 to 20, it's the same thing, but with an X in the front for 10. 10 and 1 is 11. 10 and 2 is 12. 10 and 3 is 13. 10 and 4 is 14. 10 and 5 is 15. 10 and 6 is 16. 10 and 7 is 17. 10 and 8 is 18. 10 and 9 is 19. 10 and 10 is 20. So if you were filling these out, that would take you all the way up through here. But how about 21? What do you think 21 looks like? If you've been paying attention and watching the videos as we do these, then you should know. It's not that hard to figure out. Well, this is 20 down here. We want to make 21. So what is that? Where's 21? It's a 10 and a 10 for 20. We got 21 with the middle, so 20 and 1. 21. 22. See how this works? 23. 24. 20 here and 4 here. 25. 26. 27. Oops, 7. 28. 29. XX, IX. 10, 10, and 9. And then 30. X, X, X. Okay? It's not that hard. Once you figure out the basics, it's the same way all the way down. Now, when we get to 40s and 50s, things will change. But for now, as you can see, everything is just following the way that we've been doing things. Okay? All right. So that's this part of the lesson. Let's go back to the desk and we'll talk about how to fill this part out. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to go through all of this together so you know how to figure it out. So our number is 17, 17, and we're going to change that number as we go around these circles. So the first one here, 17, 10 less, which means menos 10. So, okay. 17, 2 add-ins, that means más 2. 17 más 2 is what? This is 17 in Roman numerals, which is what? 17, 2 less, menos 2. 17 menos 2. 17 plus a 10 more, 17 más 10. 17, subtract 5, menos 5, 17 menos 5. Then 17 with 100 more, 17 más 100. And then lastly, 17 Put the 10s here and the 1s here. Okay. It sounds a little more confusing than it really is, but it's really fine. Okay, so you should be done with that by now. And when you're done, you can move on to your English.